Hello everyone. So, yesterday is a Independence Day, and from me, Happy Independence Day to all everyone. And I want to give my opinion about the Independence Day. That I think we we are not uh, celebrating our freedom. We just celebrate our right to independent on the Independence Day, and in my opinion, freedom is something different. No one give us freedom. This is my opinion, and maybe you have different perspective. But freedom is something that we no one can give to other. Freedom is like it does not depend on any treaty. If freedom is given to an treaty, then it is not a real freedom. I think so. And on Independence Day, actually we are celebrating our freedom fighters, not our freedom. And it is good to celebrate our freedom fighters because they just give their whole life towards our freedom. And how youth celebrating the freedom, you know very well that I think I have read an article in which it is mentioned that 57% of the Indian girls show unwanted nudity on the Instagram, and this is how youth celebrating and use the freedom. I don't think so that freedom fighter they knew that youth need the freedom. They have that fire to level up our country in whole world. And I don't think so that today's youth, including me, doing any productive thing which lead our life, individual life, country life, towards any great great thing. And freedom is something that no one can give. We have to search our freedom by ourselves. And and this is how we are using our freedom. This we consider our freedom, that doing whatever we want is freedom. I don't think so this is the real freedom. We have to search our freedom by ourselves. No one give us the freedom. It is just our right. Why do freedom fighters fight? It is necessary to have freedom in life. Doesn't we live as a slave? What's wrong in the slavery? मतलब क्या ही गलत थे गुलाम बनने में. And this is where, because British Britishers not only take our freedom, but also they don't slave us. They slave our mindsets. They just broke our mindset. Like we still thinking in that way, like colonials way. And today's freedom is not a freedom. We are still slave to internet, slave to habits, slave to our mindset, slave to religion, slave to spirituality. No, the spirituality and religion are totally different things. So we are slave to religion, and they are like youth are still don't know what is spirituality and religion. There is a huge difference between. And once a great man say, if you want to grow spiritually, then you have to free yourself from any religion. You don't need any religion if you want the spiritual growth. We are still a slave, I think. Slave to our mindset, slave to internet, slave to we are like all slave. There are few people in the world who are free. Few. I can count on my fingers because they search their freedom. They know what is the freedom is, what the real freedom is. It is not what we want is freedom. I don't think so. It's our habit, and we do whatever our mind say, and we doing what our mind say, and this is a kind of slavery. So this is my opinion on the Independent Day, and it is good to celebrate our freedom fighters because they like give their whole life just to give us freedom, just leave our opinion, perspective, and this is our right to have freedom, and we have to search our freedom. Thank you.